Heavy rains and flooding claim lives in the US northern plains. As rains continue to ravage Montana and surrounding US states, officials reported 2 people have perished, with several more who have gone missing. Montana Governor Brian Schweitzer declared a state of emergency as the heavy rains and record melting of mountain snowpacks led to an overflow of water bodies that have inundated communities and closed roadways.
Although central and eastern parts of the state have been the hardest hit, Montana Disaster and Emergency Services Division spokesperson Monique Lay cautioned there is no area of the state that is really in a safe spot. Neighbouring Idaho and Wyoming states have also issued warnings as downpours of rain and melting snow have caused landslides and forced closure of main roads, with all 3 states having dispensed hundreds of thousands of sandbags to locales either already affected or threatened by floods. We are grateful for the precautionary measures of the officials and state personnel. It saddens us to know of the lives lost, and we pray for the protection of the affected residents as our more conscientious care of the ecosphere helps alleviate such disruptive conditions as these.